The most rigorous and heavy lifting material handling tasks need a forklift that has stood the test of time, but continues to advance to meet new industry challenges. The newly refined Toyota Core IC Cushion and Core IC Pneumatic Forklifts answer the call, helping you lift even the heaviest loads with a range of capacities from 3,000 to 6,500 pounds. At Toyota, we know you're facing the challenge of increasing demands and need forklifts that thrive even with additional use. Whether your task requires indoor cushion or outdoor pneumatic tires, Toyota's Core IC forklifts come equipped with industry-leading engines, including our world-renowned 4Y gas and 1ZS diesel engines, both designed and built by Toyota using the Toyota production system. The time-tested and dependable design provides legendary durability, reliability, and serviceability with easy access to filters and other serviceable parts. And with some customers reporting over 30,000 hours of operation without a major repair on the 4Y engine, you can rest easy knowing that your forklift will stand the test of time. Every 4Y engine in a Core IC forklift now offers a coil-on plug ignition system which eliminates the distributor and high-voltage spark plug wires to reduce downtime and lower maintenance costs. The Toyota Core IC line also helps you stay in front of your productivity goals. The cutting-edge multifunction display comes standard and includes mast angle, travel direction, and wheel angle indicators, helping to eliminate operational uncertainty and keep drivers on task throughout their shift. When your forklifts do encounter downtime, you need to quickly diagnose the problem and get them back up and running. That's why the display includes new QR code diagnostics from Toyota. Simply use your mobile device's camera to scan the code and instantly receive diagnostic information and operational data such as truck idle time and key on time. Error code and fault snapshots are easily shareable, meaning you can get the right information to techs quickly so they can work efficiently to get the forklift back in action. When it comes to making sure you have the best lines of sight and visibility, Toyota Core IC forklifts deliver with their classic wide view mast and now standard LED headlights. The newly designed front and rear LED combination lights are available as options and provide additional indicators, as well as giving them increased durability. The ergonomically designed Toyota Core IC forklifts come standard with 4-way adjustable full suspension seats that can be adjusted to each operator's needs. A low step height, dual operator assist grips, and a spacious floorboard make getting on and off the forklift a breeze. When it comes to forklift safety, Toyota's system of active stability has been the industry standard for over 20 years. When lateral instability is detected, the active control rear stabilizer automatically engages to increase the stability triangle and reduce the likelihood of a tip-over. Active mast control responds automatically to enhance the stability of loads at height by reducing or disallowing mast tilt. And standard automatic forklift leveling helps to improve productivity and reduce product and racking damage. When you need the power to get the job done with the durability and productivity-enhancing features to get it done quickly and reliably, trust the Toyota internal combustion line to keep you ahead of the curve.